Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my full squishy collection. So let's get started. So here is like a yummy looking cake. I'm trying to look at the camera so I can see. Now I'm gonna squish it. Really cool. Now let's do this. We got a nice little chocolate brownie.
It's a cat ice cream sandwich.
Oh, I love that. That's very nice. So here's our cookies for us.
And we made that one ourselves.
Yeah, yes we did. Let's squish it. This one's really big, so I have to squish all the sides. There's the cookies, Fancy. Here's tooths. Just like the Shopkins, but it's a toothbrush. Next we have a cat. Let's zoom in on this one.
Cat bread.
Cat bread. Ooh, squishy. So that's a cat. Here's the cat. And this one doesn't have a face, but it looks
it's like it's a stress ball.
It's also really
Stretchy.
Squishy. It actually feels like there's ink or water inside the thing, or slime.
Maybe we'll cut it open.
This is a baby bottle. So here is the blue baby bottle. Oh. And we have a pink baby bottle. Oh, look at that. So we have a ladybug. Oh, it looks like it actually smushed with another one.
It did.
Oh, great. It's like white. Now it looks like it got attacked by a snowman. It got attacked by a snowman. Squish. Okay, this one is going to take a long time to rise.
That one's super slow rising.
Yep. So we'll put it to the side. Next we have a big one too. So here's the sheep. This one's super slow. Coming up pretty fast, but now it looks like a... Remember when I said it? I made a pancake. We have an apple pen. It actually smells really good.
And that was a pen holder too.
This one's super slow. Cream puff. Hi, what you doing? So here's the cream puff. This one's super slow. Let's see. We have the tears with joy emoji, squishing it. We have an angry one. We have a no face one. Huh. Squish. We have the yummiest of all, a donut. Oh, this one's not really slow. See, look, slow, not slow, right? Not really slow. It can make a ring out of donut. Now, another sweet treat, a donut. What is? We have this. It's a bunny. I thought it was a yummy treat. So here's a bunny. Here, focus camera. It's kind of far, but here it is. I have an apple. Not really slow. Again.
Are they in focus?
Yeah, he's in focus. So here it's Mr. Quack. Not fast. No, wait, it's medium. Have a seal, stretchy, squishy. Oh, here we have a black one.
Stress ball.
Stress ball. You can see it has purple dots. We have a panda. Panda bear. We have this one. Ew, what color is that?
That was the white, the sticker from the face still shows, but it kind of turned yellowy. And that's really slow too.
I have an ice cream cone. So here's the ice cream cone. I like vanilla, not so much chocolate. We have a strawberry. Okay, so we have a smiley face toast. We have this little tofu. We have a kitty cat. We have a sushi. Sushi. We have this. We have this squish. So we have Hello Kitty and the chocolate bar. We have some pizza. Pizzeria. We have
Any Claire?
We have a huge strawberry. A peach. A donut. Slow riser. Nope. Slow riser. Someone just slow riser. We have a cake. Yum. Oh, sprinkles. I don't want to squish it too much because I don't want the sprinkles to fall off. And I have two cute ones left. I'm going to do Hello Kitty as an apple. And my favorite is last. The penguin. Super slow. And she also smells really good too. That's the last squishies there. So that was my squishy collection, and tell us in the comments which one is your favorite. And make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and bye.